Attention mechanisms are a game-changing technique in deep learning, allowing models to selectively focus on specific parts of input data. In this video, we'll provide a comprehensive introduction to attention mechanism and showcase their implementation using a popular deep learning framework with Python code. So let's get started with understanding what is a attention mechanism. Basically, an attention mechanism is a technique used in deep learning, particularly in sequence-to-sequence models, to allow the model to selectively focus on specific parts of the input sequence during the encoding and decoding process. It helps the model to better learn and utilize the relevant information in the input sequence, resulting in improved performance and generalization. In the sequence-to-sequence model, the encoder processes the input sequence and generates a fixed length representation called the context vector or encoder state. Now this context vector captures the information from the entire input sequence, but it may not preserve the relative importance of different parts of the sequence. So the attention mechanism introduces a soft attention layer that computes a weight for each input element in the sequence, allowing the decoder to selectively focus on different parts of the input during the decoding process. Now, this attention mechanism enables the decoder to allocate more importance to specific parts of the input sequence, which can lead to better performance, especially for tasks involving variable length sequences such as machine translation, text summarization, and question answering. To visualize the attention mechanism, imagine a machine translation task. Without attention, the decoder would treat all parts of the input sequence equally, potentially losing some important contextual information. But with attention, the decoder can focus more on specific words in the input sequence, ensuring that the generated output is coherent and contextually relevant. So let's understand it better using a Python code. So implementing an attention mechanism using a deep learning framework like keras is straightforward. And for this example, we'll use a sequence-to-sequence model with an attention mechanism to translate a simple English phrase to its corresponding Spanish phrase. So first of all, install the keras if it's not already installed, and then we will import the necessary libraries, and then we will define the training data. So in this example, we'll use a simple data set to translate English phrases to their corresponding Spanish phrases. You can replace this data with your own data set, and then you will prepare the data for the model. After that, you will define the model. In this, you will convert the Spanish phrases back to the English, and then you will print the translated phrases. So in this example, we have used a simple data set and a basic sequence-to-sequence model with an attention mechanism to translate English phrases to their corresponding Spanish phrases. You can replace the English-Spanish data set with your own data set and modify the model architecture to suit your needs. Thank you.